Winter brings many challenges for homeowners, and one of the most significant concerns is the impact of cold temperatures on a shingle roof. While asphalt shingles are durable and designed to withstand a variety of weather conditions, freezing temperatures and the harsh elements of winter can have a detrimental effect over time. Understanding how cold weather affects your roof can help you take preventative measures and avoid costly repairs down the road. Asphalt shingles are designed to be flexible, but when exposed to cold temperatures, they can become brittle. This is especially true during the first frost of the season or after an extended period of sub-freezing temperatures. The process of freezing and thawing causes the shingles to contract and expand, which weakens their structure. Over time, this can lead to cracking, splitting, or even pieces breaking off entirely. Once cracks form, the shingles are more vulnerable to water infiltration, which can lead to leaks and further damage to the roofing system. While cracks may not always be immediately noticeable, they can significantly reduce the lifespan of your roof if left unchecked. One of the most common cold weather issues for shingle roofs is the formation of ice dams. These occur when the heat from your attic warms the roof just enough to melt the snow on the surface. As the melted water runs down the roof, it reaches the eaves, which are colder due to the overhang. The water refreezes, creating a dam of ice along the edge of the roof. Ice dams can trap water on the roof, causing it to back up under the shingles. This trapped water can seep into the roof deck, leading to leaks, mold, and even structural damage. While ice dams are most common on homes with inadequate insulation or ventilation in the attic, they can affect any roof, especially in areas prone to heavy snowfall. Cold temperatures not only affect the shingles themselves, but also the material that hold them in place. Roof nails, adhesives, and flashing can all experience expansion and contraction due to the freezing and thawing cycle. Over time, this movement can cause nails to pop out, adhesives to weaken, and flashing to lift or shift, creating gaps where water can enter. In extreme cases, this movement may even cause the shingles to shift or lift, leading to loose or missing shingles. The longer the cold weather persists, the greater the potential for these issues to worsen, so it's important to address any problems promptly. One often overlooked effect of cold temperatures on a roof is the potential for condensation in the attic. When warm air from the inside of your home rises into the attic, it can come into contact with the cold roof surface, causing condensation to form. This moisture buildup can lead to growth of mold and mildew, which can damage both the roof and the insulation in the attic. Proper attic ventilation and insulation are essential to preventing condensation. Without adequate ventilation, the warm air has nowhere to escape, increasing the chances of moisture buildup and related roof problems. Shingles are coated with a layer of granules that protect them from UV rays and weather damage. In cold temperatures, these granules can become brittle and may loosen more easily, especially during snow or ice storms. As shingles age and granules begin to fall off, the protective layer is compromised, making the shingles more susceptible to wear and tear from future weather events. Additionally, granule loss can lead to reduced energy efficiency because the shingles are no longer effectively reflecting sunlight. This can cause your heating bills to increase during the winter months. To help minimize the negative effects of cold temperatures on your shingle roof, consider the following steps. Regular inspections. Inspect your roof for cracks, missing shingles, and other signs of damage, especially after a winter storm. Catching issues early can prevent more serious damage later on. Proper insulation and ventilation. Ensure your attic is well insulated and properly ventilated to reduce the chances of ice dams and condensation. Trim overhanging branches. Ice storms can cause tree branches to snap off onto your roof. Keep any branches that hang over your roof line trimmed back to reduce the risk of damage. Remove snow and ice. If you have an ice dam or significant snow buildup on your roof, carefully remove it with a roof rake with a long handle to avoid climbing on the roof. If dams form, consider calling a professional to remove them safely. Roof maintenance. Schedule regular roof maintenance with a roofing professional to ensure that your roof is in good shape before and after winter weather. Cold temperatures can take a serious toll on your shingle roof, causing everything from brittleness and cracking to ice dams and water damage. By staying proactive with inspections, maintenance, and proper attic ventilation, you can protect your roof from winter's worst. While a little winter weather won't necessarily mean the end of your roof, understanding how cold temperatures affect shingles and knowing how to prevent or mitigate these issues can save you money and stress in the long run. If you're unsure about the condition of your roof, or if you're dealing with significant winter-related issues, it's always best to consult a roofing professional. Keeping your roof in top shape during the cold months ensures that it can protect your home year-round. Give Maranatha Roofing Professionals, LLC a call today at 940-279-6391 for your free roof inspection. We will provide you with a detailed roof inspection report, including photos to keep for your records. In the description below, I have included the link to our Google reviews so that you can see what our customers have to say about us, our web address, and detailed contact information. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any prayer requests, questions, or comments, please leave them in the comments. The Bible verse to meditate on is Psalms 119, verse 11. Your word I have hidden in my heart, that I may not sin against you. God bless you.